40 minutes to do it, and you're like, oh my gosh, I only have this homeroom, I only have this class period, I have to get this done. Raise your hand if you've rushed some math before. Okay? Everybody's rushed some math before at some point. It's kind of like a panic sets in, right? You're like, hope I know what I'm doing because I'm doing this fast. Don't do that with your taxes. Don't wait. Do you know when taxes are due? April.
23rd.
No.
28th.
It is the 15th of April, right in the dead center of April. Okay? That's when you have to have your taxes done by. And you can actually get even an extension. If you're like, whoops, I didn't do my job, if you apply for an extension just by April 14th or April 15th, and you're literally like, I need a little bit longer to get this done, they'll be like, okay. So it's not a huge deal. All right, now, what we're going to do is we're going to figure out our tax. Okay, so open up on your computer that form under that date. It says tax tables. And we are going to figure out the tax for $36,013.14. So, with your partner right now, I want you to scroll through the tax table, show your partner how to find it. Go ahead, talk to them. Well, write it down on the top line. Okay. So, what did you guys get as an answer? What'd you get? Jackson?
4,100.
Yes, 4,124. Everybody get that? Anybody not? Okay. All right, Jackson, go get a prize. So now this says check and see if there's any tax from other forms. All right, I'm going to give out 2 prizes right now. I want you to Google tax form 8814 and tax form 4972. And just tell me generally, what is it about? Do I need to do it?
Oh.
I'm going to give everybody a couple minutes. 8814 and tax form 4972. The question is, what are they about? And do you need to do it? I'm going to give out 2 prizes. Okay, who thinks they know what tax form 8814 is about and wants to tell me? For a prize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.
I think that was,
Okay, Grace?
you can subtract what your kids earn, or no, you can add that onto your refund, is that what, that's what I understand.
Yeah, you get tax, like if they are dependent, if your kid is dependent on you and you're calling them a dependent, then you have to also say, here's what they made, basically. Nobody has children in here? We're good on that one's out, okay? Grace, go get a prize. Second form, hands up.
I have a question about that one.
Yeah.
On here, it just says, election to report child's interest and dividends. That's what it says at the top of the form.
Says,
Income, it says income.
must be filed for each child whose income you choose to report. Yeah, so basically this is also, I mean, you do have to submit their income later, but you're right. I think this form is specifically about the interest and dividends from them. But it should be, I think it might also, do you have the form up?
Yeah, I have the actual form.
Taxable interest, ordinary dividends. Yeah, so it is going to be tax on their interest and dividends. You're right. So it's more about their banking stuff rather than their income. But you do have to report your child's income as well. But again, you don't have children, and my children don't make any money. So we're all good there. All right, you go get a prize too. All right, next up. Who's up for the next one? Jordan, go for it.
It says it's used for reducing taxes.
It is used for reducing taxes, but it's about, what is it?
Like enormous distributions or different accounts, like an inherited account or employer account.
Okay. That's very good. It's called a lump sum distribution, right? Are you guys seeing that word, lump sum? And then who thought, I don't know what a lump sum is? I would have. And then down on Google it says, what qualifies as a lump sum distribution? So that's what I would have clicked on. What is a lump sum distribution? And pretty fast you find out that it is when you get payment from a qualified plan of some type, like pension, like you were talking